Njoroge wa Maina aratarĩria.
Rĩrĩ bunge ya Senate wa kũhagũrwo kwa gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza rũciũ Jumaine thutha wa kũhagũrwo nĩ ma-MCA a bunge ya kaunti ya Meru. Rĩu kanjũ ya magavana nĩ ĩteteire Kawira
impeach a governor even before she has laid the foundation of her government. That you don't like a person or the way they speak is not a reason to impeach a governor. What can someone have done so wrong even before they have set up the structures of their government?
Magavana aya marauga muruna wao Kawira ndari ihĩtia ekĩte rĩa gũtũma ahagũrwo kuona ona thirikari yake ndĩrĩ ĩranjĩrĩria wĩra.
And there must be something that the governor commits which is so grave as to require the impeachment. It can't be that you don't like her style.
No, because when they say gross violation of the Constitution, what are those thresholds and how do you measure them before you actually proceed? For purposes of stability of counties and devolution, it's important to have those guidelines.
If there is no standards and thresholds for impeachment, then immediately after election there are powerful people in these counties that you will have contested against or who are opposing you, and then immediately start the process of impeaching. So then, what is the point of going to an election?
Kanjũ ĩyo ĩrauga nĩ igeretie kũiguithania Kawira na ma-MCA, no atĩ ma-MCA marauga ihĩtia rĩa Kawira nĩ kwĩmathĩra ngumo.
There is nothing really of substance for which our sister has been impeached. Absolutely nothing. You know, things like she's a populist. There's nothing wrong with being populist. If the masses like you, they like you.
Rĩu magavana marenda Senate iture watho wa kuga nĩ ihinda rĩrĩkũ gavana angĩhagũrwo na rĩrĩa atangĩhagũrwo nĩgetha matige kũhamũrithio na kũhahũrwo nĩ ma-MCA.
If you look at the laws governing recalling of MPs, for example, it says that you cannot recall an MP before 12 months, before 1 year has ended. And you can't also recall an MP in the last 1 year to election. So you have just the 3 years in between. So this is what we're also saying as governors. Can there be a law that governs within which period you can reasonably have been said to have had, broken the law to the extent